Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. This video we are going to discuss about an interesting paper writing in CSE department. So regarding IoT based network management. So in this video I am going to explain you the step-by-step procedure how to write a research paper on IoT based energy management using AI templates. So all this can be done by using a single AI tool. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI templates and how it will work out for our research paper writing. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to conduct an online research paper writing workshop on ChatGPT using ChatGPT and AI tool. The main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with different AI tools which will be useful for research paper writing, and also we are going to explore different types of research prompts in ChatGPT and how to bring out better content out of ChatGPT for our research paper writing. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So don't forget to register this online workshop. So if you are registered in this workshop, you can get also our AI tool subscription for free. So you make use of this option and make your research paper writing simple. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video. So the topic we have chosen to write a research paper is that. So here you can see that. So IoT for network management. So here this is the topic and the title, IoT for network management. So in order to write this, I have taken this references here. So here you can see this is the 10 references I have taken. So in this references, from this references I am going to make a research paper using AI tools. So for that, go to LMS Research Support. So the AI tool which is having all the different types of research templates. So go to LMS AI tool. So in this you will be having different AI templates. So here you can see in this LMS AI Ultimate Plans, you can get all the AI templates related with research, starting from summarizer, translator, grammar corrector, reference style converter, literature review, reference to content, explain the table, paraphrasing, generate MATLAB code, blog article, detailed literature review, chat with paper, chat with PDF text, chatbot, plagiarism reducer, etc. So in this, what I am going to do is, so I am going to use first the chatbot. So just click on this chatbot. So it leads to a dashboard like this here, the chatbot. So in order to explore this, so I am going to copy this one title. So go to chatbot. For the about topic, generate a research paper title with 5 alternate options. So like that I am going to give an input prompt. So let us see how it will generate answer for us. So here you can see that. So this is how 5 alternating title is generated for our research paper. So here you can see that. Enhancing network management efficiency through IoT integration, a comprehensive study. The role of IoT in revolutionizing network management, a research perspective. Exploring the impact of IoT on network management, a comparative analysis. IoT enabled network management strategies for improved performance of security. Harnessing IoT technology for advanced network management, a case study analysis. So here I am going to take this first topic. So copy that one. So go to this instead of IoT. So you can give it as enhancing network management efficiency through IoT integration, a comprehensive study. So after that, what you have to do is sorry, you have to write abstract and then keywords. So after that you have to write introduction. So this is after that you have to make a literature review. So after that you can give the explanation of proposed method. So after that you can see results and discussions, or you can give it as a comparative analysis. So after that you can give conclusion. So then comes the references. So this is the basic structure of a research paper. So first we will generate abstract. So go to the chatbot again, refresh that. So what you can do is, so you can give an input prompt. So in order to generate a title, generate an abstract. So first I am going to give generate an abstract for the research paper titled. So you can copy and paste the title here. So this title is generated from the chatbot itself in about 250 or 200 words. So whatever you want you can give. So just click on ask questions. So our abstract will be generated here. So it will take several seconds to generate. Yes, our abstract is generated. So copy that abstract. So go to Word file again. So paste here. So from this you can take keywords. So you can write a keyword, what are the keywords you want, you can take from this abstract. So after that, so what you can do is, so go to that same chatbot again, refresh. So here we can ask for introduction part. Okay, so in this introduction, so give the same prompt. Instead of giving number of words and abstract, so you can give introduction. So introduction. So let us see how this chatbot will generate introduction for us. So for a research paper, yes, introduction is generated. In today's rapidly evolving technology landscape, the integration of Internet of Things devices into network management has emerged as a promising solution to enhance efficiency. So like that, it has generated the content. So you can copy the content. So that is introduction part of our research paper. So after that, you have to make literature review. So one of the special thing about this LMS research support tool is that, so here you can have 5 different types of literature review. So you can make 5 different process of literature. So in order to do, so copy just 5 references alone first. So go to LMS research support. So here you will be having 5 options called literature review, reference to content, detailed literature review. Next, chat with paper, chat with PDF. So these are the different templates. In order to do instant literature review, so you can use this literature review and reference to content template. So just click on literature review. So it leads to a dashboard of this literature review template. Again, I am going to click the reference to content also. So in this reference to content, so you can get this kind of template. So this kind of dashboard. So here go to literature review. So in this literature review, you can copy and paste 5 references alone. So just click on literature review. In the meantime, so go to reference to content, that is literature review. So copy and paste again the 5 references we have taken. So and then give that what are the style you want. I am going to give APA style and click on generate content. So in the meantime, so you can see that our literature review will be generated in this literature review template instantly. So as we have copied 6 references, I think so. So this 6 references, literature review for 6 references is generated. So what you can do is, so you can copy and paste that, that is literature review. So after that, we will check this reference to content also. So here also the literature review will be generated with proper citation. Here you can see 𝐮𝐬𝐽, Shafiq et al. That is all the references are citation. You can copy this literature review also. So whatever you want, you can copy according to your need of your literature review. So here you can see this is also a literature review taken from AI template. So and also this is also the literature review taken from AI template, that is literature review and reference to content, 2 different templates. So in order to make a detailed literature review, what you can do is you can download your reference paper. So for example, so I have downloaded this reference paper. This is one of the reference. So here you can see that so this is one of the reference, Internet of Things, a review of enabling technologies, challenges, open research issues. So in order to do a detailed literature review, what you can do is, so click on the detailed literature review template. So here our template will be opened. So just a minute. Yes, our detailed literature review dashboard will be generated. So in this detailed literature review, what you can do is you have to give the specifications, that is title of the paper, abstract of the paper, introduction part of the paper, and conclusion of the paper. So what you can do is just to open that Internet of Things. So just a minute. So here you can see this is the title of the paper. Just to copy the title here. So go to that template, paste here. Next, just to go to abstract of the paper. So copy the abstract of the paper and paste here. Next, introduction part of the paper. So this is probably the introduction part of the paper. So copy the introduction part alone. So and go to the template again, paste the introduction part. So after that, so add conclusion of the paper. So go to the conclusion of the paper. So here you can see this is the conclusion. So at the end you can get the conclusion. Just a minute. Yes, here you can see this is the conclusion of the paper. So copy the conclusion of the paper and then paste again. Sorry, paste the conclusion here. So after, click on just literature review. So in order to make a detailed and comprehensive literature review, so you can use this template, especially those who are making review paper. So this will be a better choice for you to make a literature review. So here you can see our detailed literature review is generated. This is the summary of the paper. The paper provides a comprehensive overview of the Internet of Things paradigm, focusing on enabling technologies, challenges, and open research issues. It discusses the integration of various processes in IoT application, the fragmentation of standards, traffic loads, and various challenges. So like that, it will generate literature review. So next you can see that main findings of the paper details. The main findings include the need for seamless connectivity in IoT, the emergence of new possibilities for services and products developments, the fragments of IoT industries, and the challenges related to increasing connected devices, integration of technologies, traffic demands, etc. Next, limitations. So this is how you can make a detailed literature review. So if you are interested in, so you have to download the reference papers and you can make a detailed literature review using this kind of template. So next thing is that, so in order to chat with paper, so in order to chat with the paper, so just to click on the chat with paper template. So in this chat with paper templates, the content to be given will be opened. So what you can do is, here you can copy and paste the conclusion of the paper. So on that you can ask any questions you want. What are the further developments can be made in this paper? Or you can give what is the future scope of the paper. So like that you can give. So and just click on ask questions. So here what you can get is that, so you can get the future scope of the paper. So like that you can take one of the points in this particular future scope of the paper and you can proceed forward also. So this is how you can use this template to you can ask any questions you want from your reference paper. So next important thing is that chat with PDF. So just to click on this chat with PDF. So in this you can upload PDF, that is reference paper, and then you can ask anything you want. Page wise you can get page wise analysis of that content. So you can choose PDF. I am going to upload the same reference paper we have downloaded. So here you can get, so this is the paper we have downloaded. So click on upload. So here you can see that you can see page wise content. So I am going to, for example, if you have any that is clarification related with this page, So click on whatever the page you want, the content in the page will be generated. So you can chat with, you can copy that content and you can chat with that content whatever you want, and you can ask any questions related with that content. So this is how you can use this template. So like that you can make a literature review. So and then in order to show that is proposed method, or that is types of IoT implications on network management. So like that I am going to give a topic. So here you can use again the chatbot. So chatbot, here you can see the chatbot. So in this chatbot you can generate any common content, so as like you can do in any of the chatbots, so like ChatGPT like tools. So here what you can do is you can ask explain about the IoT applications on network management elaborately. So like that you can give, and then click on ask questions. So it will take several seconds to generate the content. So here you can see. So this is how you can generate a common content using this chatbot. So after completing all the specifications, so you can generate a conclusion also. So and then if you make any table, you can use this table. So explain the table. So here you can see explain the table. So just to click on explain the table. So if you make any comparative analysis, for example, so here you can see that comparative analysis can be made. For example, if you want to explain this table, so you can copy and paste the table, or you can copy and paste the content. So and go to explain the table. So just to click on that copy and paste the content here. So what you can do is and give explain. So it will give explanation of the table. Like that you can make use of this template, explain the table template, to explain to get the explanation of the any table. So especially while coming to review on analysis or any comparative statement, so you can make a table with different references considering. So here you can use this concept to explain to get the explanation of the table in seconds. So you can use this template. So after completing all the process, what you can do is, so you have to correct grammar. So here you can see this is a grammar corrector template. So you can use the grammar corrector template to correct grammar. So what you can do is you can just copy and paste the content. So whatever the content you want, so whatever the content you can generate it, so you can copy and paste the content here. So you can correct the grammar using this template. So after all the grammar correction, so you will be having different options called paraphrasing and plagiarism reducing. So here you can see, you can check after completing all the process, you may check that content for plagiarism. So if your paper is subjected to plagiarism, so here you will be having two different templates called paraphrasing and plagiarism reducer. So you can use this paraphrasing and plagiarism reducer to reduce plagiarism in your research paper. So this is how you can use this template wisely to generate a better research paper using this kind of AI template. So you can make use of this option.